Hi Dana, how are you?
Ciao, I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing great. What are you up to?
I'm actually trying some new table decorations. Do you like them?
They look really nice.
Thank you.
Dana, I have some questions for you. Do you have some time?
Yeah, sure. Do you want to meet me inside?
Sure, let's go in.
Follow me.
So, how is the day going at Oasis?
Can I show you?
Sure.
Tell me your favorite flavor.
I'll have chocolate, please.
Try it and let me know.
It looks amazing.
Thank you.
It tastes so good.
Can you try another one?
Sure, please.
I'll give you my favorite.
Oh, passion fruit sorbet?
Yes, it is.
It looks amazing.
There you go.
Thank you. I
How's it?
definitely like this one better.
That's how my day goes.
So, how long have you been in Vietnam?
It's been 4 months exactly today.
And how long have you been working in Oasis?
I've been manager in Oasis for 4 months as well. So it's a 4-month anniversary.
Ah, cool. Congratulations.
Thank you. Do you want to grab a seat quickly?
Sure, let's do
Let's
it.
go.
So, how has your experience been adjusting to the culture here?
Oh, it's definitely interesting. It's completely different from what I'm used to. But yeah, so far so good.
And what has your experience been working in a position of leadership?
Hold on, do you want something to drink?
Yes, please. I'll just have the water.
Yeah, can we have some water? Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Say the question again.
Your experience in leadership?
I started as a manager when I was really young. That was my first experience in leadership. I gotta say that was quite tough since young women and leadership don't always go together. But years go by, you learn, and it gets easier.
What are some things you find challenging working in Vietnam?
I think it's the mindset. It's completely different from what I'm used to. It's actually more relaxed, a bit more laid back, which is really nice, something different. So yeah, I think it's the mindset in general.
Cool.
Follow me, I'll show you around as well.
So, what do you like most about your job?
I love interacting with customers. I love being a part of a great experience for them. Also, working with my team is really great. So, just all general. Follow me.
What are your favorite things to do in Hanoi so far?
It's actually exploring. Hanoi is so big, so diverse, so that there's so much to see, and I don't think there's an end to it. Can I show you upstairs as well?
That would be great.
Let's go. And welcome to the second floor.
Oh, it looks really nice up here.
Come in, I'll show you around.
I love the natural lights.
Yes, we wanted to create a peaceful and light interior so people would feel relaxed when they come in.
Cool. Dana, have you had a chance to travel in Vietnam?
Yes, I have. I've been to Ninh Binh, Halong Bay. I have to say nature in this country is absolutely incredible.
Great. When are you planning your next trip?
I want to explore more nature around.
So let's get back on topic.
Sure.
How did you perceive the role of women in Vietnam before you came?
I had a general perception of Asian culture. It was that it's more male dominant and women mostly play a supportive role.
And how has that changed since you've been here?
It has changed. I can see that women are taking a stand in leadership, in owning business, social media. So yeah, they want to be heard.
On confidence,
Yes,
do you consider yourself a confident woman?
that's a tricky question. Because I think confidence is something that comes with years and experience. And I'm definitely more confident than I was 10 years ago. And confidence is something that comes within yourself. And then it shows on the outside.
Wonderful. What have you noticed about your customers, all women and Vietnamese women in particular?
I love seeing women coming in together, talking, laughing. I think the best thing is that we support each other. And supporting each other is the best system for us. And yeah, it's great to see women sticking together.
Cool. Last question.
Yes, let's do it.
What advice would you give to young girls wanting to be in positions of leadership?
It's definitely advice I would give to myself 10 years ago, and that is, it gets hard, it gets scary, but you have to know that you are enough. You are smart enough, you are beautiful enough. You don't have to, fit in any criteria, even though people say otherwise. So just believe in yourself. And if it gets hard, remember you're not on your own.
Thank you so much, Dana, for the wonderful advice.
Thank you for being here.
The view up here is really nice.
Thank you. Would you like to finish some gelato and coffees?
Oh, that would be perfect.
And enjoy the view.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.